What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you are new to the channel, you're welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome. And please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Whenever I post the video, you'll be notified. So please, guys, just do that. Turn on the notification bell and subscribe, and watch my previous video and like, comment, share videos. Okay, thank you. So today
we are going to unbox a video making
about
kit.
Video maker kit. So this is it. This is the video maker kit, which we are going to talk about. You can see, huh? Yes. So I'm going to open and show you guys how it is. Oh, wow. You see? It's really cool. Oh, this is the cable which you connect to your phone and the speaker. As you can see here you see the cable. It's here, that tiny rope. So this is the speaker. This is the microphone. This is the microphone, not the speaker. I don't know what I'm thinking. This is the microphone. I don't know where I get speaker. And here, how to open this? It's very hard. Oh, okay. Okay. How is gonna stay? Oh. So you press here for this to be up. Yeah. And then it's cool. And then this where you are going to put, where you put the phone. You see? I think you have to put like this. No. How to do it like this? And then, okay, yeah, it's like this. And this is the controller. It's the controller. Oh, because of this weight on my t-shirt, it's like I can't see nicely, and it's a little bit dark. It's like rain is coming, so that's fine. You see, this is the controller. it has also battery inside. You see, this is the battery which is inside, but I don't know when, if this battery finish, where you are gonna get another one. Oh god. Oh yeah, I close it. I thought I'm gonna suffer closing it. And this, the light, flashlight. So now I'm gonna start looking at on the box so I can join it together nicely. Yeah, it's here. Here how you can join it. You can see here on the box. So now I put this one, and now I have to put this. Okay. Yeah. I put, and here where you put the phone. Yes. See, it's gonna be like this. It's going good. It's going well. It's going well. Okay, yeah, it's very simple and it's easy to join it. Hey, I was talking. Huh? I'm talking too much, I think so. And how to close this? Is closing. No, closing is this side. Yeah. Now I'm tightening it. Yeah, I close. See, that's what we wanted, right? Like this. And which one is for the phone? Oh, okay, this side is for the phone. So I'm gonna put it here. Oh, so cool. Okay, and then here on the back, yeah, you can see the buttons. There's a minus and plus, and then on is here. So I think you can minus it and increase it this side, and this is the power. Yeah, you see, as I tell you, it's dark. So now when I'm flashing the light on my camera, it's getting dark. You see, now it's dark because I say it's like rain is gonna come. Huh? But no, it's like it's gonna fall down. I think it should. Oh yeah, now it's 10. So because of the phone is heavy, and the way I put it, it was heavy in one side, so it wanted to fall with the front. Oh my goodness. But now I put, and it's okay. You can see how it is. It's okay. It's very nice, guys. And this one, the control, yeah, also you have you can see how the controller is. And here up, this button is for on. Yeah, now it's on. So it's working. I'm so happy. I was so scared that maybe I ordered something which is gonna come and not working. Because sometimes when you order online, you can receive something that is not working. So I'm happy. This is fine. Let me switch it off the light. Yeah, so we reach at the end of the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Just like something is working on my nose. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, please subscribe to the channel, guys, and turn on the notification bell. Share the video. Bye. See you in the next video.